Hey everyone, I just wanted to take you with me on a little crystal cleanup. A few friends and I were able to get into the Dolostone here in Little Falls, Herkimer County, New York, and we're pulling out Herkimer Diamond Quartz. So this area was actually surprisingly productive for being just a pizza slice small wedge in the Dolostone. You can see there's a vug in the back corner, but there's actually quartz hiding all throughout the floor of the pocket too. There was everything from small little gems to medium-sized anthracite included smokies, which is always cool. Sometimes I get so excited that I just take the Ziploc bag and sweep everything into the bag. I actually do end up doing that at the end of the video, but only because I'm dropping Herkimers into the tailings, and you never really want to do that. But here I'm trying to kind of show you one by one what we're picking up. My friends are pointing out, there you go, see, my friends are pointing out Herkimers that I am not seeing. You kind of get tunnel vision when you start cleaning out pockets and you look at just one area. And when there's Herkimers all around you, it can get a little bit crazy. And this is where I kind of get a little bit anxious that I'm dropping a few into the tailings, never to be seen again. So I do pull the bag up and I start kind of sweeping them in. But if you like these kind of videos, let me know and I'll just kind of keep posting them. Even if you can't see that great, I feel like it's fun for you to get an idea of what it looks like to clean out a pocket.